Hey guys, I'm Delta. Right now, I've just arrived at multi-storey car park 1 at London Luton Airport, and today I've noticed that there's a Boeing 787 landing once again. And today I have decided to do a premiere vid on landing, taxi and engine shutdown. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Alright, here comes the 787. Here it comes. This is landing in from Brussels. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. This is very unusual. Good touchdown. Very good landing. Right, let's go over there and film it at close range. Oh, it's using the full length of the runway. There's probably an A321neo taking off behind me, but let's focus on recording the 787. Wow, look at that. This is very unusual. Yep, the A321neo is taking off. Yep, there goes the A321neo. Oh my god. Look at that! This thing is huge! The registration of the plane is OO-JDL. That's the registration. Oh my goodness! Look at that! Beast! I can almost even touch it! Whoa! Look at that! Look at the size of this thing! It's huge! The Beast of Luton is here! This is so much fun. Oh, it already just shut off its engines. Yep, there's a tug coming for the Dreamliner. No wonder it already just shut off its engines. But look at the size of this thing. Oh my goodness. And all the lights have been turned off. I have a question for you guys in the comments. Could you imagine seeing this Boeing 787 at close range? Because my god, this thing is huge. Imagine I compare this with the 737. The Boeing 787, of course, is much bigger and heavier. I'm sure it can take almost 300 passengers, which is a lot. Let's pause it until it starts taxiing towards the stand. You guys see this A319? It's going the other way because, of course, this thing is in the way. It looks like all the other planes are being diverted because of the Dreamliner. Laugh out loud. That 737-800 on Ryanair should be taking off shortly. But yeah, big lol. I think these people are trying to be just as quick to prevent holding up other planes behind. I can see the pilots inside the plane. Man, look at the size of this thing. Okay, it's being moved to the stand. But look at this thing. If I have a look, I can almost touch it. I could almost touch this thing. I can see that this beast has a much larger wingspan. I can also see the inboard ailerons. Yes, planes with larger wingspan, such as this thing here, they do have inboard ailerons. I think those things are used to reduce stress on the wings. Just look at it. This plane is huge, the best and the most unusual wide-body I've seen at Luton Airport. Any wide-body at Luton can be considered rare, apart from the A300s of course, which are common. Oh. Alright guys, this concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. My goodness. This is a I absolutely enjoyed it. And this is my second time seeing a Boeing 787 landing at Luton. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe. It's approaching 9:30 right now, so I'm just gonna go take some pictures of this real quick near the TUI fly hangar, and then I'm gonna head on the bus to college. So you guys take care and I'll see you later. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Peace out.